unboxing guys. Matcha from Japan. So, nakita naman ng face ko. Okay na yun. Thank you Ate Cherry for buying this one. Shoutout sa Ate Cherry. As well as a shoutout to Ate Edith, Ate Wayne, Chacha for bringing this one in the Philippines. Hindi ko lang alam. Unbox natin. Hindi ko alam kung ilang grams ko. Naka-Japanese kasi. Unbox natin. Okay na yung kamay ko. So yan. Hindi ko alam kung saan city sila Ate Cherry. Ate Cherry, comment down below. Saan city kayo sa Japan? Dati si Ate Girl, coffee girl din yan, matcha girl. Thank you, Ate Cherry. Binilan niya rin pala ako ng list. Actually, this is my third list. Bumili ako ng isang set sa Lazada. Ito, kaka-unbox ko lang. From Coffee and Tea Essentials sa Lazada. But ito, meron siyang acrylic na list. Maliit lang pala siya. Nagpabili ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hindi ko alam kung ilang grams to. Maybe 30 grams lang isa. Kaya, 30 grams lang. 30 grams. I-zoom na lang. Yan siya. So, yun. Thank you ulit, Ate Cherry. Yan, expiration niya 2026 ng February. So, yun. Dahil addict si Ate Girl sa matcha. Hindi ito tatagal na hanggang February. Kasi usual timpla ko is 6 grams per ice matcha. Ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!